Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. I'm super excited as my favorite festival is just around the corner. So first of all, wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. For this Ganpati Bappa festival, I'm going to make 3 super easy and quick instant modak recipes. So before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's start with making pan modak, and these are the ingredients we are going to need. Last year I made pan and chocolate modak, which are my favorite. But वो थोड़े non-traditional है. This is more traditional, yet it's very easy. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it melts, add half cup of milk and mix it. Then add 1 cup of milk powder and keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. I'm using a whisk to do so. Then add half cup of sugar, which is completely optional. Milk powder थोड़ी sweet होती है, so you can skip the sugar. But I used unsweetened milk powder, so I added the sugar extra. Then keep whisking till sugar melts. Then add a drop of green food color. It is optional. अगर कलर नहीं डालना तो plain white भी अच्छा लगता है. And now mix it with a spatula. Keep stirring this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes or until the mixture thickens and starts leaving the pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Mix it in. Then switch off the flame and apply ghee on a plate. Then transfer our mawa mixture onto the plate. Then spread it out with the back of the spoon as the mixture is going to be very hot. Let it cool down for a bit. Then knead the dough first using the back of the spoon. After a minute, add 1 more teaspoon of ghee and knead it with your fingers until it's nice and smooth. Take out a ball-sized portion. Apply ghee on any modak mold you have. Then add the dough and make a hole. Press it अच्छे से from the sides and the top so that you get a perfect modak shape. Then for the filling, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of gulkand into it. Cover it with more dough. Then level it out. Remove all the excess dough. Then open the mold very carefully and just look at how pretty our pan modaks look. अगर कोई excess dough वहाँ पे रह जाता है, then just press it in with your fingers. This color looks very pretty and very vibrant. ये मोदक हम बापा को प्रसाद में चढ़ाएंगे तो एकदम ही यूनिक दिखेगा. It's a traditional modak with a twist. The aroma is amazing and the taste, oh my god, it literally bursts in your mouth with flavors. And ऐसा ही लगता है कि आप पान खा रहे हो, rather एक creamy पान खा रहे हो. It's easy and delicious, so definitely try it out. For the next instant modak, we are making every kid's favorite chocolate, actually Oreo modaks, and it needs only 2 ingredients, that is Oreo and milk. First, I'm going to separate the cream from the biscuits and keep them separately. If you want a quicker version, don't separate it, just blend it like that, make a dough and shape it into modaks, and it will hardly take 2 minutes to make them. But मुझे stuffing वाले modaks बहुत पसंद है, they look very unique, so I'm doing this. Once you have separated the cream, keep it aside. Now break the biscuits and add it into a blender. Then grind it into fine powder. Transfer it into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of milk into it and knead it into a semi-soft dough. Then add 1 teaspoon of ghee and smoothen out the dough. If you want, you can add powdered sugar into the dough for more sweetness. Then take out a ball-sized portion and add it into a closed modak mold, which I already greased with ghee. जैसे first वाले में मैंने fill किया था, वैसे ही यहाँ भी dough डालना है ऊपर से and make a hole in the center. Then press it अच्छे से from the sides. Then take the cream we separated. थोड़ा हाथ से ही ऐसे उसको soft करना है and fill it inside the modak. एक मोदक में 2 to 3 cream slices आराम से fit हो जाएंगे. Now cover it with more chocolate dough and level it out. Remove any excess dough. Then open the mold and slowly remove out the modak. Then press the edges and just look at that. So good. I could make 7 modaks with 2 packets of Oreos. I also added silver varak, but that's completely optional. Our chocolate modak truly looks exotic. The taste is so good. It's perfectly sweet. It's chocolatey, very moist and filling. Looks so good. It's so simple that it doesn't need any cooking and your kids can also make it easily. So definitely give it a try. Next one is also super easy, 4-ingredient coconut modak, and these are the ingredients. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once it's hot, add 100 grams of dry desiccated coconut. Roast it on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. You can roast it until it becomes light golden as well. Then switch off the flame and add 100 ml of condensed milk. Mix and turn on the flame again. Then add 30 ml of milk to make the modak super soft. I switched off the flame so that the coconut doesn't burn. बिल्कुल brown होने नहीं देना है. Now saute and roast till all the milk is absorbed by the coconut. Then take it off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Here you can also add few dry fruits for crunch. मुझे plain coconut ही अच्छा लगता है, so I skip adding the dry fruits. Once the mixture is cool enough, add it on each side of a modak mold. पहले तो मोदक में स्टफिंग की थी, इसलिए मैंने मोल्ड ऊपर से डाला था. यहाँ मिक्सचर को मैं साइड से स्टफ करूंगी. I'm going to close the mold and press it quite hard. जो भी excess मिक्सचर है उसको मैंने नाइफ से रिमूव कर लिया. Then remove any excess from the top and sides as well. Slowly open the mold. Take out the modak. Finger से ही press the excess mixture in, and here your coconut modak is ready. It's the simplest yet delicious modak. You can add any color and be as creative as you like. मुझे तो ये ऑफ वाइट कलर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. We usually make ukdi se modak for naivedya, which has fresh coconut. Honestly, making ukdi se modak is my favorite, but it needs practice. I've also uploaded उसका पूरा detailed video. You can check that out. This coconut version of the modak is quite similar, मतलब उसके filling से, but a simpler version. It has a proper coconut dominant flavor. It's perfectly sweet and literally melts in your mouth. So give it a try. In fact, all 3 modaks are so simple. You should try them out this Ganesh Chaturthi and let me know your feedback. Also, let me know which is your favorite festival and how are you going to celebrate the festival of Ganpati Bappa. Today's shout out goes to Samra Riyaz, Antara Pawar and Debanjali. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlants, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.